जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है आप तमिल तेलुगु हिंदी इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. एवरीबडी enjoys watching a good who done it. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But yeah, watch it for a great fun experience of a crime thriller.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Ekta, this one's for you as a producer. You've produced and backed some of the most wonderful projects. Of course, we talk about commercial pot boilers. We've seen all of that on the big screen. Here, edge of the seat thriller with this Kamal ki cast and of course the maverick director. How did this unfold for you? Tell us about that.
So, I mean, just because it's a credible entertainer, how is it not commercial?
Okay, I take my
Just
back.
a basic understanding of this film. The film's full cost is covered, including P&E, and the whole theatrical worldwide in India is profit. That's how this is a commercial success for India, which a lot of commercial pot boilers are not. And it's all because of one actor who everyone wants. The pre-sales are brilliant because of Miss Legend Superstar Kareena Kapoor.
Oh, she said it, yeah. She said it, ladies and
I have
gentlemen.
seen it. This is the numbers that speak, And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands. And this is what a film should be. It should be financially viable, credible, and when it releases in the theaters, it is a win-win for everyone. So honestly, this is far more commercial than a lot of my commercial films.
She said it. Ek baar zordar taaliyan, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, for this already super duper hit movie. Moving on to the director Ansel Mehta Saab. So we've loved your work, anything and everything that you've done. Of course, sub fan hai yahan pe. Working with this team, of course, the producer Sahiba, or should I say, the producer Sahibain, jo dono hai yahan pe. Of course, talk to us about them and this journey of the Buckingham murders.
This film, this is a story that Ekta had heard, and she said कि you have to do it. मैं कुछ और करने वाला था, and thank God, thank you Ekta, for bringing me back into this absolutely amazing experience. I mean, this was perhaps one of the most joyful shooting experiences I have had in my, I have completed 30 years since I made Khana Khazana earlier this year. So for me, this has been perhaps one of the most joyous experiences of my career. Also, it's very new territory for me. So when you go to set and you challenge yourself that okay, this is not something you have done. And you make films because you thrive on those challenges. And I think that challenge really drove me. I have never made a whodunit. I've never made a murder mystery. And many people think कि इनको कॉमर्स से कुछ पढ़ी नहीं है भाई, मुझे कॉमर्स से ही पढ़ी है. मतलब if my films don't make money, if my producer is not financially viable, I have no business making films. So I think all of us want a film that one is financially viable, where the budgets first don't fail. Because I believe budgets fail, films don't. And then to make a film that is so engaging, so entertaining, and to have a star, I mean, this is again something that Ekta facilitated. Without her, I wouldn't have even met Kareena. I used to see her, I used to live in the same building. She used to go for Christmas. She would just walk past me, take the lift, and I would look at Kareena, she just took the lift. So I got to work with, I mean, there is something about, there's a quality that stars possess, and I've experienced it firsthand. And beyond that, I have been blessed with working with some really great, wonderful actors. And when Kareena is one of the best actors we have today.